Hi, welcome to SGT University. I am Deepak Kumar from Faculty of Engineering and Technology. Today we will be learning about Python, its main features and areas of applications. What is Python? Python is general purpose high level programming language which is very easy to use. It is interpreted and dynamically initialized. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. The main purpose of creating Python was to provide a very easy to use programming language to the programming community. However, during initial days, Python could not get popular because it was slow as compared to other programming languages at that time. Now, with the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has come into spotlight. What are the main features that make Python popular? Python is the best programming language to get started with. It has very easy syntax and high-level features which make it the best programming language. As Python closely resembles with English language, it takes no skill to learn it. Python is also interpreted language where all the errors are checked during runtime. The next reason is that Python is open source programming language, hence it is free to use for everybody. We can simply write a code and Python interpreter will convert it in low-level details. Moving ahead, Python can be used in most of the domains like GUI application, mobile application, server-side coding, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and many more. Another reason is Python is supported by almost every platform in the industry like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. In Python, we can easily integrate Java and also invoke C or C++ libraries. Hence, we can perform cross-language operations. Last but not the least, there is huge community support for Python to make the libraries and help to obtain any solution. For example, speech automation app in mobile phones like Cortana, weather app, biometric attendance, prediction of credit card worthiness of a credit card holder in banking sector and prediction of patient readmission rate in healthcare sector are few areas where Python is being used to develop the machine learning solutions. So far, we have learned about Python language and its main features. Let us now explore some areas of applications of Python. What are main areas of application of Python? Python is used almost everywhere, but the most popular areas are: number 1, artificial intelligence. As we know, artificial intelligence is the future of IT industry when it is combined with scikit-learn, Keras, TensorFlow and OpenCV. Python has the ability to perform complex computational tasks with just few lines of code. Number 2, software testing. Python is being used in various software testing frameworks. It also has various built-in testing frameworks which covers debugging and fast workflows. Tools like Selenium and Splinter, which provide support for testing with cross-platform and cross-browser, are also popular. Number 3, big data. Python supports parallel computing to process very large amount of data. In Python, we have a library PyDo, where we can write MapReduce programs and process data in distributed file system. Other libraries which are supported by Python are Dask and PySpark. Number 4, automation and scripting. Python can also be used as scripting language to automate certain tasks. The code is written in the form of a script. The machine reads and interprets the script, whereas error checking is done at runtime. Once the code is checked, it can be used several times. Number 5, data science. Python is also most popular language among data scientists. It provides libraries like NumPy and Pandas, which are well suited for data manipulation and analysis tasks. Python also deals with heterogeneously typed columns and visualizes it with the popular libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Using Python, a data scientist can easily gain insights out of large amount of data. Now let us look at some other reasons as to why we should go with Python. It is one of the easiest language to learn. We don't have to be extraordinary talented to get this. Python is an open source license. That means it burns no holes in your pocket. It is completely free even for commercial purposes. One can use it, distribute it at free of cost. It has got a huge and extensible library which enables you to use minimum coding to attain your results. Python is an object-oriented programming language which gives it an edge over other procedure-oriented programming languages and hence making your data secure. It is compatible with many of the operating systems like Windows, iOS, Linux, etc. Another reason of going with Python is open and diverse community. You are always welcome by the community to resolve your programming related problems irrespective of your country you come from, language you speak or religion you follow. Every month they have a meeting to impart the knowledge and anyone can post a query anytime to the Python community and get the fastest solution. So, we have got a guide every time we need it. The language is also portable. This is to say, if you have written code for one particular operating system and want to run it on another OS, you can simply do that without changing the code. Python also comes with the quality of being extensible. Another advantage of using this language is we don't really need to declare type of a variable and it follows the simplest syntax. Let us take an example of swapping x with y into Java as well as Python. In Java, you need to declare the variable x as an integer, whereas in Python, no type declaration is required. And also, it uses less lines of code and hence you fall in love with this language. Let us now compare Python with one of the most popular language of this era, Java. What are the main differences between Java and Python? Python and Java are two most popular languages among the developers as well as the beginners. Java is fast, secure and reliable general-purpose programming language. It is the most fundamental language which produces the software for different platforms. And the best thing is that it is machine independent and can be written once and run anywhere. On the other hand, Python is easy to read, efficient and high-level programming language. Both of these languages have been the two most popular languages of the decade. So let us move ahead and take a look at various aspects of comparison that will help us to find the better programming language between these two. Number 1. If we take a look on the speed, Java is statically typed and faster than Python, while Python is dynamically typed and interpreted language, which makes it slower comparatively. Number 2. When it comes to legacy, Java legacy systems are typically larger and numerous, while Python has less legacy problem which makes it difficult for the organizations to copy and paste codes. Number 3. If we talk about lines of code, Python consists of lesser number of lines of code or shorter code as compared to Java. Number 4. Another characteristic is database connectivity. Java is most popular and widely used to connect, whereas Python database access layers are weaker. Number 5. Now if we take a look at area of application, Java is more popular for mobile and web applications. On the other hand, Python is more popular for data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence tasks. Number 6. Now syntax is one of the more important aspects which makes Java and Python different from each other, and this might help us to decide the winner out of these two. Let us have a look on some of the basic differences. Java is compiled, on the other hand, Python is interpreted. Java is object-oriented programming language. Python is also object-oriented programming language, but it has added advantage. It is also scripting language. Java is statically typed and do type checking at compile time, whereas Python is dynamically typed and do type checking at runtime. Next, If we compare the lines of code, Python performs the same task with fewer lines of code than the same code written in Java. Now in this example, we are printing the statement hello world using both the languages. In Java, we need to define a class and a main function which makes it 3 lines of code already, whereas we can use just a print statement in Python. In Java, if we miss semicolon at the end of the statement, it will throw an error. But there is no such need of semicolon in Python at the end of a statement. So today we covered introductory part of Python language, its main features and main areas of applications. In our next lecture, we will be studying about installation of Python and input-output statements in Python language. Keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.